Nice. That's the coordination behind the sound, right?
That felt.
Sorry, the coordination behind. Yeah.
There was no difference. Like the way it felt.
No difference.
Yeah.
If you've ever felt stuck with your mixed voice and you've been doing all these different types of exercises, then this video is for you. Sometimes you don't actually need all these different exercises. Instead, you just need one exercise done well. Because what happens is this becomes a reference point and everything can start to click. And to highlight this, I want to share a key moment in a recent lesson that I had with a student. And you'll see this exact moment where his technique locks in and all of a sudden everything starts to flow and start to click. Now, keep in mind, we have been working at this together for some time. So I don't want to put this false expectation that it can just suddenly magically happen. It does take some time. And if you're feeling stuck with this, don't feel like you have to do this on your own. I teach students all around the world over Zoom and help them with this exact same challenge. So if you're interested in working with me, I do have links down in the description. Anyway, let's dive in and go through this lesson together. I just want to see if we can get some better reps and then translate it out to the oars again. Yeah. Good. Yeah, when you feel like you need to adjust it, just redo it again. I have less feedback. Yeah.
There we go.
Yep. Beautiful adjustment, man. That was great. Yes.
There we go.
The first one was not far off. It's just you kind of tacking it a bit hard versus just trusting that all you need to do is stretch. Yeah, can keep a bit more buzz on the top. It's thinning out nicely. It just needs a bit more buzz. Yes. Perfect. This is like perfect technique, dude. Stretch. Yeah. Nice, cool. Man, something has changed. So this would be like your, you know how we said, I don't know if we said this at the beginning, there's kind of a few stages of singing, right? Or learning to sing. There is getting one exercise that is just clean fundamentals.
Yeah.
And then translating. We've done a bit of both in like most of our sessions, but this is the first time I've heard where it's just zero compromise.
Yeah, that felt really, I wouldn't say easy to do, but felt like I wasn't forcing anything.
Yeah. You should go back and listen to it. It's so clean. So clean. Well done, man. Like it's hard to get to the
way
place
easier
like this.
to reach the higher notes.
Yep.
Like I wasn't
Because
like
you're doing all right.
I guess I am stretching to it, but I mean like I didn't have to like reach for them. It was just coming
Yeah.
out. It was easier to go
huge.
from high to low as well, because usually I can do that, but it's a bit clunky. This time it was
Yes.
just pretty smooth.
Does it feel very different, or is it just like a subtle thing compared to?
I think that the where I was resonating was too low,
Ah, okay. Yep.
because I started doing like more like kind of like up here,
Yep.
and that made it way easier to change pitch without the buzz getting like softer.
Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I guess I was
Easy.
thinking more on my throat too much.
Yep, yep, yep. I wanted to see if we can translate this to something. So let's just go. No. Just once you get to the top, right? Just open your mouth and do something, right? We just want to kind of translate out of it. But the way you did the mouth closed before, it has to start from there.
No.
Good.
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
Good.
No.
There we go.
No.
Yes.
Mom. Mom.
Nice. So that's the coordination behind the sound, right?
That felt.
Sorry, the coordination behind. Yeah.
There was no difference. Like the way it felt.
No difference.